Sorry, I had to do the video into two sections because I think you can only go like 1 minute or a minute and a half. So the second thing I wanted to talk about briefly is how we would install the fixture. The plan is for Ryan and company to go over there after spa hours, mold the pieces that we're going to fabricate exactly to what's there to the Cove, come back to the shop, fabricate those pieces, and then we can come back and reinstall them where they go. Ryan would be installing them on site. He would make each section slightly longer so that it could be field trimmed and sealed to be exactly where we need it. Also in the Cove, we found that the current Cove LED, the Hi-lites held in there with clips, and over the period of time they're not centered anymore. What these clips, they have actually some of the LEDs off to the side and they're not matching. So Dane has designed a clip like this that's 2 inches wide. It will snap into the Cove, actually like this of course, set screws, and then what's going to happen is the fixture preformed is going to go into it and there's going to be set screws there. So if you ever have to take something down, you don't have to wrestle with the clips. You loosen the set screws and it'll just slide out of there. So with that said, that's how the installation would go. After hours, take them down, fabricate them, and put them back up, field finish them, field installed, turnkey, we take it. And of course the fixture has a 5-year warranty. One quick thing I wanted to cover is why would we not have done the neon? And I can tell you why. The neon, we tried it here from several manufacturers, and it had a linear look, and very short pieces looked beautiful, had a nice color. However, when we did an 8-foot section or multi-sections, what we found is even though the extrusion was straight and linear, it tended to wobble a little bit, and it wasn't straight. And we found 5-star Hellspa wouldn't work. Second thing, we found that a couple of them that we tested, while they had a 5-year warranty, we found that they had become stiff, and actually some of them actually began to pixelate, which means in sections they were brighter and dimmer than others. And I don't know if the LED was heating up the edge of it or what material it was made of. Definitely not something we would do in the Hellspa, because once it's up, this is going to be permanent. It is feasible this could last 10 to 15 years. So with that said, that's the whole installation. Time frame would be probably 6 weeks or so. Once we get all the material here, it's going to be fairly quick because it's somewhat of an automated process. Thank you very much for having a look at this. Hope you enjoy yourself over in Mexico. Drive safely. Take care.